all my Smitten haul. And if you don't know what Smitten is an app where you get when you download it, you get 6 trial points, and you have to get some things within those 6 trial points, and you have to only pay rupees 199 for that, only for the shipping. So I have got some products here from those 6 trial points, plus I got some free products too. Let's get started. So this is the box I have with me, and I have got many products in here, and I'm very excited to show you my Smitten haul, because I had never bought anything from Smitten app, and I only ordered it because of the COD offer. COD offer was going on, and I didn't wanted to pay them by online payment, because I didn't know how the app works. Obviously, I am going to show you the products one by one, and I am going to tell you for how many trial points I got that product, and the actual price of that product. So the first product I have here is Anor Treat Yourself Green Tea Slush Body Scrub, and it looks like this. It's a small tub kind of. And let me show you how it looks from inside. And to tell you, it smells okay like. So this is how this looks, and it cost me for one trial point, and its actual price is 150 rupees, and it's a 20-gram product. Okay, so I think I'm okay with this, but I haven't tried this product yet, so let's see. The next product I have here is the Moms Co Love Without Compromise Natural Vita Rich Face Cream. Natural Vita Rich Face Cream, I don't know. With vitamin C, B3, B5 and E and hyaluronic acid. It's anti-pigmentation. It helps in anti-pigmentation and even skin tone. So this is a 10 ml product, and it's a face cream, and the texture, it's still packed. So let me show you all. Okay, this one smells nice too. It's a moisturizing cream. Wow, the smell is good, and it costed me for one trial point, and its actual price is rupees 150. And as I have said, its quantity is 10 ml, so it's okay for me, because I didn't had to pay for this product, so I had to pay only for the shipping, and it's only 199 rupees, but that's okay. So let's get on to the next product. Okay, so the next product I have here are Skittles, and oh my god, these were free for me, and I got it didn't cost me any trial points. It was free for me, and I had got like 5 packets of these Skittles, but I ate one packet that day only, the day I opened this package, and they are pretty nice. I think I have tasted Skittles before, but after having it after so many years, I really liked Skittles, and I think after I finish this packets of Skittles, I'm going to buy more Skittles from Amazon. I think so. And this 5 packets retail for its actual price is ₹50. So each packet costs you ₹10. And its weight is 9 gram. You get 9 gram products in it. This was a free product I got, and I'm very happy about it, that I got something that I could eat. Like literally, I was so happy. So now let's get on to the next product. The next product I have here are lip balms, and both are the same company lip balm but in different variants. This one is a strawberry one, and it smells very nice. I haven't used this, as you all can see. I haven't used it even once. And let me tell you, I got this for one trial point, and its quantity is 5 gram, and its actual price is ₹99. So this balm retails for 99 rupees, and the smell is so good. I can't wait to try this lip balm. And the next one too is a chocolate coffee lip balm, and this too cost me for one trial point, and this too cost, and this its actual price is also ₹99, and this is also a 5 gram product, and I haven't used this one too, not even once. And the smell of this one is exactly like the coffee bite chocolate which we used to get before, and I literally feel like to smell it all day. It's just so good, and the smell is so good. So the next product I have here is Mamaearth's Upton face wash with turmeric and saffron for tan removal, and this is paraben and silicone free, and it's dermatologically tested, and it suits all skin types. So, and the quantity of this is 25 ml. Let me show you. This is the inner packaging of the product, and it looks okay. I have heard many good things about Mamaearth products, so I think it will work good on me. So let's see. And I have I wanted to like buy Mamaearth products, but I got this in the Smitten app for I got it for I think one trial point. I got it for one trial point, and its actual price is 99 rupees, and as I have said, its quantity is 25 ml. So it's a okay product. I need to try this first. Before that, I can't tell anything about any products. So the next product I have here is also from Mamaearth, and it's their oil-free face moisturizer with apple cider vinegar, and it's for acne-prone skin, and this is also a paraben and silicone free, light and non-greasy and non-comedogenic. I don't know what that means, but I'll research on that. And this is also a 25 gram product, and I got it for one trial point, and its actual price is also ₹99. Let me show you. This is the inner packaging. Their packaging is like simple, and I really like their packaging. So this was the second last product, and the last product I have here is this pouch. This is the Smitten's pouch, and I got this one also free. It didn't cost me any trial points, it didn't cost me a penny, and its actual price is rupees 499, and this is the full size one. These products are sample size, but this pouch is a full size pouch. And if you want to buy this with your trial points, it will cost you 6 trial points, and as I have said, its price is rupees 499, and I think you get this only in this color, and this color is called mint 1. So it's a nice pouch. Let me show you. Look, I mean, I can carry my makeup products in here or my skincare products, because I already have one pouch for my makeup products, and I got it from Nykaa, and I have shared it with you all in my makeup, in my Nykaa makeup haul. That video is already up on YouTube, so you all can check it in my channel. So this is the pouch, and it's a pretty color. I never go for this types of color, but this is a pretty cute color, and they have their Smitten name here. And these were my products from Smitten app, and this was my mini Smitten haul. I don't know if I will buy more products from Smitten, but if I do, I will definitely share it with you all. So and yeah, that's all for my video today, guys, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I will give my Instagram account details in the description box below, and also don't forget to follow my Instagram store Agima's Lifestyle, and please do check out the products I have there. See you soon, guys. Bye.